In today's video, I'll teach you how to show followers on Facebook profile. First of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. So if you want to make your Facebook followers visible to others, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. After you do that, tap on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option settings. Now you'll be able to access the settings of Facebook over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for audience and visibility. Right over here you can find the option for followers and public content. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the followers and public content interface. Over here at second, you'll be able to find this option for who can see your followers on your profile. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see three options: public, friends, only me. If you want to show your followers to the friends only, tap on this option friends. If you want everyone to see your followers, simply tap on this option public. After you do that, tap on the saved option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here your followers will be set to public. That means people will be able to see the followers. So that is how you show followers on Facebook profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.